too short.
Hi, welcome to this second in the video series, Life Made Simple. I hope that you get something from this video, that it benefits you and maybe helps you in your own personal journey. I hope that you enjoy watching it. And today we're going to be talking about what makes good dirt. So let's just dig right in.
Hello, I am the one you already saw, Rhonda, my mom. I am her assistant, daughter, Cora. So, we're using some shells, if you can hear that crunching noise, that's Mommy's cat, eating the shrimps. So today we are going to learn how to make good dirt. I already planted them. I took a bit of her stuff and just, put it in each spot. I planted some stuff at my own tools, so let's get started. I'm gonna go get my tools. Hello, this is All Life. You can see I made a castle here in the dirt. You're learning about dirt today.
We are learning about dirt today.
Good dirt.
So,
We have these peelings.
yes. Well, first we're going to talk about what makes good dirt, okay? Because stuff that you want to grow isn't going to grow in dirt that's not healthy. Just like plants need water, they need good dirt. One of the first things you got to do, and I've already done it to these, is pull all of the weeds. You got to get the weeds out. If there's weeds, their roots are going to be in here. These roots are going to suck up the nutrients, and then the plants that you want to grow won't have that nutrients that the weeds steal away. So you don't want weeds. That's the first thing you got to do, is get rid of your weeds. But our dirt, this is dirt we bought last year and we grew stuff, right? Yeah. So the plants have already sucked up a lot of the nutrients.
But it got more nutrients from all the rain past all these years.
No, rain just gives water, not nutrients. For stuff to grow good, sometimes it has to go through bad stuff. For example, there are forests that will catch fire. And it's terrible, it's sad. But when that fire burns in the forest, that ash is rich in nutrients. And then when it rains, it puts it back in the dirt and the forest can grow back even better. This dirt, we don't have a forest fire in our little potted plants. We're just one little plant. But this dirt's nice and loose. It's ready to be worked with. This one over here, it ain't been loosened up yet. Right? So we gotta use our
Rakes and shovels.
To loosen this dirt.
Our rakes and shovels.
Alright. Just like we used it to dig this up.
Yeah. And make it all like that.
We kind of pulverize it. We beat it up and break it into little dirt pieces instead of a big dirt clump.
See this? Pretend this is big. We take my shovel and
So we've got to basically beat up this dirt. Stir it up and remove any old roots that we find. These old roots, this old stuff, it's dead and gone. You gotta get rid of the old so you can prepare it to do good new things.
I'm her assistant, watching the camera.
So we've got this good and churned up now. And we've tilled it, so to speak. So first, for good dirt to grow a harvest, you got to pull the weeds. So nothing's sucking out the nutrients. You got to till the dirt, remove those roots from the old things that don't need to be there. Get those old roots out. Till it, literally break it into pieces. And a way to add nutrients, one way would be by fire. Another way is decay. So what I'm going to do here is take some kitchen scraps and bury them under this dirt. All this stuff has got to be made healthy. How do you make it healthy? Fire, decay, and manure. Basically, to get the best out of your growth, this soil has to go through something bad. So, what I have here is some kitchen scraps. I have good dirt. And this one here. We're going to take this old rotten stuff. It's not rotten yet, but it's from the past couple days. And bury it. Make good dirt. It basically, you gotta mix in all this undelightful stuff, whether it be decay, manure, or ashes from fire. And bury it. And they'll decay down in this dirt. It'll rot. But those things that are buried under here, these things of the past, that old stuff feeds the dirt, makes it better than it used to be. So when your dirt goes through seasons of manure, decay, fire, it just makes it stronger, just makes it better. And at the end of the season, the harvest will be good, because good dirt has to go through and absorb some bad things before it's really good dirt. And I hope that you can see that and understand it. And if you like this video, subscribe, and I'll have a next one out sometime. So don't get stressed out when there's fire or manure around or decaying things. Just know that you just bury that in the dirt, absorb it and learn from it, take what you need and be better dirt for a better harvest. And God bless. There's my helper.